Well, it ain't quite 60, but it's getting awfully close. So, it's my birthday. And since I can do anything I want on my birthday, that's the law, isn't it? I'm gonna griddle up some BLTs. So, if you're gonna make BLTs, you gotta have some bacon. And I happen to have slightly less than a pound of deli case hickory smoked bacon. Yum, yum. See if we can get it out of here without a whole lot of fussing and drama. Because, save the drama for your mama. I'm too old for drama now. Too darn old. Let's go this way instead. Maybe. Oh, can you smell it? I don't know why, but deli bacon always seems to taste better than your store brand bacon. Especially if you get the right flavor. Yeah, we'll get it, let it go. Maybe stick the bacon press. Ooh, bacon press. I need to sterilize my hands. The plan was actually yesterday to have a Sunday brunch with bacon and eggs and maybe hash browns or pancakes or something. Had too much stuff to do, so we ate out while we were out running. So my next plan was let's have BLTs for supper. Well, that didn't work out because I was still running around. Actually, and the wind was like 50 miles an hour again. For like 2 or 3 days straight, we had 50-mile-an-hour wind. Wind gets, I mean, you can see this is beautiful here. It's paradise. But paradise has a price. And that price happens to be crazy wind. Crazy, man. Maybe I should have left this bacon alone until I was ready to do something with it. Look at it curl, man. I need one of them big, giant bacon presses, or a second bacon press. Only time I really use the press is making bacon and smash burgers. And there's nothing else better for those two jobs. Right, Baja? Baja, the Wonder Dog, is supervising and asking me to throw the ball. So here we go, cooking bacon. Cooking, birthday bacon. This bacon doesn't look a day older than it did yesterday. Can you even see the bacon? Yeah, you can see the bacon. Anyway, the views, we're blessed. Look at that. I've been motorcycle camping lately, a few times. I hadn't done it since I was your age, like 10 years or so. And I love it. It's awesome. But sometimes I gotta ask myself, I got this. Why do I have to go sleep in the woods? But then once you're sleeping in the woods, you understand. just one of those things. Put you over here for a minute maybe. See if we can do some flipping. Normally I'd pause you so you don't have to watch all this boring part. But I'm old and I forgot how to do the pause button now, so you're stuck with it. God, whippersnappers telling me how to do my bacon. Why, when I was your age, we didn't have bacon. We had Stegosaurus steaks, and we liked it, because that's all we had. We wanted to go hunting, it was uphill both ways. Man, this piece is good. Sad. Sad, I say. See, I can curl it up in here. No. It's just twisted like my mind. Twisted, I say. Kind of like Twisted Sister. We're not gonna take it anymore. Okay, this time I am gonna pause because I have to see where the bread is and the tomato and level you out. There we go, maybe. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all. Yes, looking like bacon. Looky there. Looky there, looky there. Good. Use a little more. We especially my lovely assistant likes hers crispy. And we want Mama happy. Cause you know, if Mama ain't happy, ain't nobody happy. And ain't that pretty bacon? Oh, and look, we got sandwich stuff already.
That's yours.
She toasted hers. I want mine plain because I'm old and I ain't got no teethers. Can't chew my food. Just gotta gum it. It's easier to gum if it ain't toasted. So let's looky here, the sandwich. Can you see the sandwich? For degreasing the bacon, because now that I'm old, I gotta start repeating all my stories anymore. Because don't recollect if I ever told you about my old grandpappy, old reliable. Isn't that the rules? You gotta repeat yourself often when you're old. Give her the crispier pieces. This one's not as crispy. I'll take it. And did I mention that as I get older, it's the rules. I gotta repeat myself. Have I said that yet? So, looky there at that fine chunk of BLT. Birthday BLT. Have I mentioned that once you reach a certain age, you just gotta start repeating yourself and telling all the same stories over and over? Anyway, that's what we got for today. Thanks for watching. And if I mentioned that when you reach a certain age, never mind. We appreciate y'all. Oh, hey, I appreciate y'all. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for all the fun stuff. Good comments are welcome. There's some algorithm or something that Says liking a video makes more people see it, so like it, subscribe to it, and send me lots of money. And if you're wondering what to get me for a present, I'm a size 1800 cc's in gold wings. So we'll see you next time. Bye!